Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to show you this 2012 Ford F550 we have for sale. It's a two-wheel drive, 6.8 liter V10 gas engine. It's got 283,000 miles on it. It's a one-owner truck. It belonged to Caterpillar out of Oklahoma, so it's a southern truck, no rust. It's got a 11-foot IMT Dominator service bed with an IMT 7,500 pound crane, a Miller impact air compressor and hydraulic pump that runs the crane and the outriggers, so you basically don't have to have the truck running to use the crane. It's a really nice truck. I'm gonna walk around and show it to you. It's got a nice set of tires on it, probably 90% tread on them. Try to get this video done before this hurricane weather comes in here. I wasn't even sure that I would get it put online today because it's been raining all day. All right, I'm gonna walk around the rest of the truck and I'll come back here and show everything. That'll be the last thing we do. Because it's starting to rain again. This truck does have quite a few miles, but you know, it's been taken care of and runs out and drives good. So people get a little too caught up on miles sometimes, and I tell people all the time, I would actually have one of these trucks with higher miles because everything's already been fixed on it. Side to side, down, winch out, extension in, winch up. Compressor on. Turn it on there. Outrigger down. Up. This other outrigger. Pull it back up. Has any work lights on it? Let's see. It's got some compartment lights though, yeah. So Also has this oil vac system on it. Push stop switch, turn the engine off for that. It has an oil vac system on it. Turn it on there, it runs off air. Really nice setup on this truck. Give us a call if you're interested, 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go on there and check out pictures of it. Starting to come down pretty good here. This is your master power switch. You gotta have that on for everything in the back to work. 283,700 miles. So, all right, if you're interested in this truck, give me a call again, 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. If you're looking out of state and you want to have this truck shipped, we can ship this thing. It's probably going to cost you about $1.50 a mile. Could be less, could be more. Depends on where you're located. This thing's pretty heavy, even being a gas and a two-wheel drive. This bed, it's a pretty heavy bed. So, or you're welcome to come here and drive it out. But I guess that's about it. Thanks for watching.